What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey. Thank you so much for watching this video on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my second dividend payment with ARR, that is ARMOR Residential REIT. I was like, what is it? Anyway, that's what I'm going to be talking about. My very second payment with this particular REIT. I'm super excited to share the information with you guys. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk to you guys about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I already have a screen recording going here, and I am going to jump into the Robinhood app. So I'll click on Robinhood, then we get Face ID, and then I will scroll down to ARR, and I'll touch on ARR here. Once again, this is my second dividend payment with ARR, and as you guys can see, it's ARMOR Residential REIT. This company does pay dividends monthly. I love companies that pay monthly dividends because it can be a little bit more exciting to get dividend payments once a month, and I kind of look forward to it. It makes me feel like, you know, it's just a little more exciting than getting quarterly payments, which is fine. So I'm going to scroll down and kind of show you guys. Currently, I have 853.09 shares, and my market value currently is $10,441.82. My average cost is $11.83. My total return is $352 at the making of this particular video. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and show you guys my dividends here. So this is my second dividend payment. I'm going to click on show more under history. And then at the top of the screen, it says all history, orders, dividends. I'm going to click on dividends just to show you guys that I only have 2 dividend payments from ARR. So the first dividend payment was back in February 26, 2021. I'll click on that to show you the details. At that time, I had 142.59 shares, and they're paying 10 cents per share. So that is why the payment at that time was $14.26. Now, if I go back and show you the most recent payment, which is March 29th, 2021, that amount was $84.62. I'll click on that here. And at that moment, I had 846.18 shares. And once again, they're paying 10 cents per share. So now my payment is $84.62. Now, if I take $84.62 just for the fun, let's do $84.62 times 12. That is $1,015 for, you know, getting dividend payments for 12 months. Now, of course, the dividend payment is going to continue to grow because I'm going to reinvest the money back into that particular company. So if I scroll back, I'll show you guys all history right here. I'll click on all history, and let's see if you can see. Here we go. So for the past 30 days, right? So I got the dividend payment at the top of the screen. I got the dividend payment here on March 29th, $84.62. And then as you guys can see on March 31st, March 34th, I'm making up days in a month. On March 31st, if I touch on the details here, I went ahead and reinvested the $84.62, which allowed me to get 6.9 shares. And at the time it was $12.25 per share. So I just reinvested the actual amount that I got for dividends, which was $84.62. So the next time that I get a dividend payment, it's going to be more because I, you know, of course, bought a couple more shares. So I'll just kind of show you guys. Let's see how much I got paid on this time. Let's see, go back. So it was 846 shares, right? Now I have 853. So let's do 853 times 0.10 cents. Now the next payment I get is going to be $85.30, whereas the first payment that I got, or the most recent payment that I got, was for $84.62. Now it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's actually a lot. Okay, I almost went up a full dollar from the previous month. When I get my next dividend payment, it'll be for $85 and some cents, which is pretty freaking sweet. These dividend paying stocks, especially this type of stock, it is a REIT. It is, a lot of people would say, risky, but you have to risk big to win big. And I'm by no means am I giving any kind of advice. I'm nowhere close to being a professional or a guru, and I will never pretend to be. I'm just sharing these videos and letting you guys know what's possible. One of the ways you guys can kind of do a little bit of research is you could go to Google and you can type in the company, the ticker symbol, which is ARR Dividend History. And of course, it pulls up NASDAQ here at the very top. I'm going to click on that to kind of show you guys where I kind of look to see the history, at least in regards to dividend payments that this company has done. So you can see that I'm scrolling down on my phone here, and there's dividend payments going back to 2013. I don't know if this site always has all the payment history, probably not, but you can see here they're paying dividends back in 2013, and then in 2014 they started to pay dividends monthly. Well, they started paying dividends monthly also in 2013. Once again, I don't even know if this is the entire history, probably not, but you can kind of get a snapshot here. So they've been paying dividends according to the site in this little snapshot, according to NASDAQ, since 2013, which is probably before 2013, but they've been paying monthly, as you guys can see here, monthly dividends all the way up until now. This website actually gives you the ex-dividend day. So right there you see 4/14/21 is the ex-dividend day before the next payment, which will be in April. If I slide over here, the next payment's going to be April 29th, 2021. So that's when I'll get my next dividend payment. But I just wanted to show you guys that just so that you can use it as, you know, maybe somewhere that you can go and kind of look at some of the payment histories in some of the companies that you're interested in investing in order to get dividend payments. Once again, I'm by no means a guru. I don't ever pretend to be. That's not what this channel or community is all about. It's just about me sharing my journey with you guys and letting you know what's possible in regards to investing in the stock market. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please be sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.